What is price fixing in antitrust law? Have you ever wondered how companies decide on the prices of their products? Price fixing is a practice that can significantly impact markets and consumers. So, what exactly is price fixing in antitrust law? Price fixing occurs when competitors agree to set prices for goods or services at a specific level. This can mean setting prices higher, lower, or keeping them stable. Instead of letting market forces like supply and demand dictate prices, these companies manipulate them through agreements. In the realm of antitrust law, price fixing is generally illegal. This is because it restricts competition and can harm consumers by limiting their choices and potentially raising prices. There are two main types of price fixing to be aware of. The first is horizontal price fixing. This happens when companies at the same level in the market agree on prices. For example, if two competing companies in the same industry decide to sell a product at the same price, that's horizontal price fixing. This type of agreement is usually considered illegal under antitrust laws. The second type is vertical price fixing. This involves agreements between different levels of the supply chain, such as manufacturers and retailers. For instance, a manufacturer might requiring retailers to sell a product at a certain price. While this type of price fixing was historically illegal, some forms are allowed under specific conditions today. In the United States, the legal framework for addressing price fixing is primarily the Sherman Act. This act prohibits contracts, combinations, and conspiracies that restrain trade, including agreements to fix prices, rig bids, or allocate markets. Violating these laws can lead to both civil and criminal penalties for the companies involved. Understanding price fixing is essential for law students studying antitrust law. It helps them analyze how companies might engage in anti-competitive practices and how the law addresses these issues. In law school, students can apply this knowledge through case studies or moot court exercises that involve antitrust disputes. In the context of law school life and academics, grasping the concept of price fixing is vital for building a solid foundation in competition law. It prepares students for careers in legal practice or policymaking related to competition law. Understanding these principles allows future lawyers to navigate the complex world of antitrust regulations effectively.